Hey guys, it's Devin. It is Thursday, July 9th, and you guys should be receiving a plant kit today, and I just kind of want to go through that with you and show you what exactly you can expect. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to notice is a bag with dirt in it. That is just soil for your plants, and we're going to put that to the side and leave it for a little bit later. After that, you are going to notice a little pot so that you can put your soil and your plants in, and that's where they're going to grow. Next up is a cup and some beans and some paper towel, and that's going to be kind of the heart of what you guys are doing for this activity. You'll also notice that you have a couple of papers. I don't have those in mine. Those will be instructions for what you can do, and if you don't want to watch this video and follow along, then you can do that by yourself with those papers. We also have a little sign for your plant, and I'll show you what you can do with that in a couple of minutes. Now that we have our materials kind of laid out on the table here, I do want to say that this is best done probably outside so you don't get dirt all over the house and have mom or dad mad at you. And in this bag, you'll notice there are little seeds in there. Those do not go with the cup. Those are going to be planted in these planters. Okay guys, for this one, what we're going to need is the paper towel, the cup, and the beans. And what we're going to do is just kind of scrunch up that paper towel and put it inside our cup here. And then on the side of that, we're going to put the beans. Make sure they don't go too far down there. Put them on opposite sides. Everybody should have 2 beans. It'll kind of look like this, maybe a little further apart if you want, if you have 2 hands. What you're going to do next is water it and let it grow. It should pop up in about... Alright guys, this next video has us using these 2 seeds, our little plant sign, our planter, and the soil. And like I said before, this one is best done outside. But if you can manage to do this in a clean way, all the power to you. I've also labeled my sign. It says tomato, and on the other side it says cucumber. My challenge out to you guys is to find out which one we are planting here. There is only one kind, but I just want to see if you guys plant these and you know what kind of seeds you have. The first step here would be to take all the dirt and put it into your planter box. So I have filled up my planter box. I also did spill on the side here. So you can see it's pretty easy to spill. Also, I didn't use all the dirt from my bag. If you have 2 separate planters, you're more than welcome to use your seeds in different planters, or you can put them both in the same one. I didn't measure out the dirt completely, so you won't have exactly the right amount. You might have a little bit extra. If you need to go put that outside, then be my guest. Next, what we need to do is just get a little bit of a hole in the middle of this planter to put our seeds in. I'm gonna move that around a little bit. If you wanna just use your finger to get that hole made, you can. It's not a very deep hole, only maybe about 1 centimeter or so. And what you're going to do is pop your seeds in there, 1 and 2, and then you're going to cover it back up. Our last step is putting in the little sign here that goes on the side. You can put whatever you want on that. You can put question marks on one side. You can wait till you know what it is. You can write plants. You can just color it if you want. I'm not quite sure yet what I'm growing here, so I put 2 different words on it. The last step is to water it, but when you do water it, you need to be very careful because A, I just spilled like that, and B, when you water it, there is holes on the bottom of this because the plants need to breathe. And so when you water it, it's going to go through just like that. So you need to either have this on something or you need to have it outside.